If it's your first time opening up a Wise account, you'll first click on the link in the description below to get your first free transfer of up to £500. Then click on Open an Account if you want to open a personal account, or scroll down the page and click Open a Business Account. Then proceed to fill in your work email address and your country of registration, and create a password before we proceed to the next steps. Now, if you already have a Wise personal account, you'll first log into your account. Then click on your account name on the top right-hand corner and select Open a Business Account at the bottom of this menu. Now click Enter your business details, and you're going to enter your business details including your country, registered business name, trading business name, and your company type. This may vary depending on your country of residence, so make sure to do your research. But in many cases, if you conduct business as yourself using your legal name, you may not need to register anywhere and can simply use your legal name as your business name. A lot of my subscribers are freelancers, so you would likely choose sole proprietorship. Then click Continue. Now we have to plug in your registered address details, including your country, address, city, and postal code. Then click Continue. And we have to fill in some more information about our business type, including the category and subcategory. Then they'll ask if you have a website, social media, Amazon, or eBay profile that you can share to verify that you are a business. If you do have this, click Yes and share your relevant website or social media link. If you select No, you'll have to describe your business in more detail. Then select the size of your company. In my case, it's just myself. Then confirm your trading address. Now you'll be asked how Wise can help your business, and you'll see various features that you can use within your business account, such as integration with leading accounting tools, sending batch payments, and even the ability to add team members to your account. You can set these up now or at a later time, and then click Continue. Then you'll be prompted to choose your plan type, and this will vary depending on what country you are in. But you should have the option to either pay a one-time fee to access all banking features, or choose the Essential Features plan, which is free. One of the best things about Wise is that there are no subscription or monthly fees, unlike most banks. Both plans allow you to pay people and for goods and services in over 70 countries. And depending on your country of residence, you'll get your first debit card free, and you can add unlimited team members and accountants. With the All Banking Features plan, you can hold balances in 9 major currencies, receive payments from abroad or from major sales platforms like Amazon, and can receive direct debits for recurring overseas payments. Once you've chosen your plan type, you may be prompted to add some money into your account, and this is optional. You can click on your business account name on the top right-hand corner, and this will take us to our account. And here you have your account balances at the top. You can open up balances and receive payments in different currencies. And at the side, you can click on Cards and order your first card. And if you want to switch back to your personal account, just click on your business name at the top right-hand corner and click on your personal account to make the switch. I also want to quickly talk to you about the opportunity you may have to opt in to earn interest with the money that you hold in your Wise account. This is a new opportunity for US-based customers only. For those who meet the eligibility criteria, Wise will share a portion of the interest earned on your funds each month into your currency balance, and rates can vary. There are no fees to use this feature, and it can be a great way to earn some extra money with your savings in Wise. You can also opt out at any time. You can learn more about this feature by going to Wise's official website. So Wise Business is really amazing if you're a business owner because you can use this account to keep track of all your business expenses and earnings in one place for each business that you have. You'll save a lot of money on currency conversion fees, and the Wise website and app is just so easy to navigate. So whether you want to open a Wise personal or business account, make sure to sign up using the link in the description below to take advantage of your first free transfer of up to £500. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in my next tutorial.